Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fishman Rare Earth mic blend. Whether you're a performing artist or a home studio enthusiast, this piece of gear promises to deliver a rich, natural tone. Installation is a breeze. It's really not that hard at all, as you'll see. The Rare Earth mic blend combines a magnetic pickup and a condenser microphone together. The blend control knob lets you choose between full pickup, a 50-50 blend, or a full mic for a customizable sound palette, or anything in between really. Experimenting with mic placement can dramatically alter your tone as well, as you'll soon hear. So take your time to find that sweet spot. Likewise, there's a small switch on the side of the unit that controls the low frequency extension of the microphone. When switched to the position pointing toward the treble strings, this control will provide the fullest bass for mic-only applications or blended tones where more mic bass is preferred. The alternate switch position toward the bass strings rolls off bass from the microphone to reduce the risk of low-frequency feedback and facilitate playing at higher volumes. In this scenario, the magnetic pickup itself becomes the primary source of bass. Now, after really playing around with this thing for a bit, a standout feature has got to be its versatility. For instance, you can use a standard cable for mono or even a TRS cable for stereo operation, giving you independent control of the mic and the pickup signals together, which is perfect for creative setups in the studio or even live performances where you want the most options. Alright, now let's listen to some sound examples. I've put notes up on the screen for you to follow along with as you're watching. These are dry signals straight from the pickup itself, followed by a blend of stereo mics to give you an idea of how it might set in a mix with a DI/mic combo. These are all ran straight into the Focusrite, into Cakewalk sonar, and then straight to your ears. Enjoy.